Afternoon, this is Hiker Dude Dad, and we are back in Zion National Park. We are going to take the Parousse Trail today. It is basically from the Zion Visitor Center up the river. It's going to hug the North Fork of the Virgin River, which goes north and south right through Zion and bisects the park in Zion Canyon. So you start out from the visitor center and you cross over the Virgin River. This is where the shuttle buses come in and out. It's actually getting a little overcast today. It's the first clouds I've seen in like 6 days. And then right here we will cross the trail. Although it's nowhere near as hot as it was in Vegas. I pity the people camping. Today is actually beautiful. When we woke up it was about 65 degrees and breezy. And as the day went on, you know, it's getting warmer. It'll be in the low 90s. Another little river access here. The Parousse Trail is paved, shared with bikes and hikers and dogs, and it is definitely an ADA accessible trail. Yeah, so don't touch the cacti, even the parts that look hairy. They're not hairy, they're stabby. Yeah, if only somebody would have told me that the yellow needles were stabby instead of hairy.
Hey, I have cacti at home. I knew that.
Should have known she was an expert in that too. Thought those weren't fire ants. Definitely seen a lot of bikers on the trail. It's very wide, open. There's not a lot of shade. I think we're pretty fortunate here that clouded over a little bit here, as it is early afternoon here, 2 o'clock. I think if the sun was out, we'd be baking, but temperature's not too bad. So we're crossing a little service road here. It goes over the river there. There's a sign there that says, and I noticed cabins on the far side. Employee residential area, so I guess rangers and such live there. Today I feel tremendous. It was the last couple days in Vegas and Nevada. Yeah. Today this feels downright pleasant compared to those. Very bone dry stream bed here. And they overestimate my hiking speed here. I don't think, oh no, it's a bike trail too.
Yeah.
Who wants to turn around and go swimming?
Me.
Well, we're not going to. Kidding, let's go.
No. Don't ever turn around.
These guys are troopers today, but it's time to turn around and go swimming. The trail extends a little bit more. We're a mile in, so we're just gonna turn around, make a total of 2 miles here. Hardly any elevation, but they definitely want to go swimming here. And it's time to have a beer. So we're gonna head back the same way, but hey, thanks for watching. If you need a nice easy hike, or I would say even more if you're on a bike here in Zion, check out the Parousse Trail. and subscribe. There's a lot more content coming from Zion, doing Angel's Landing in the morning. I'm strangely at peace. I'm not nervous. I'm strangely at peace with it. I got a glimpse of it today from a distance, and it looks every bit as terrifying as it should. But we're gonna do it anyway. Tomorrow, bright and early. I'm gonna be up at 4 in the morning and do that. So please subscribe, ring that bell, get some notifications. I'm gonna be posting a lot of content here. Take it easy.